Here we are going to give two examples which confirm the statement of the theorem that is, lengths of the two tangents are equal when drawn from an external point to the circle. Based on this theorem, I am going to explain this theorem by two examples here, and properties of the tangent, two examples. Example 1, prove that in two concentric circle, concentric means two circle with the same center, the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. And solution for this, and let C1 and C2 be the two concentric circles with the center at O, and the chord AB of the larger circle C1 touches the smaller circle C1 at the point P. See the figure here, and here are two circles C1 and C2 with the same center, and the chord AB touches the smaller circle at the point P. I mean, AB is going to be tangent to the circle C2. And now we need to prove that AP equal to PB. AP equal to PB. Let us join OP, and then AB is a tangent to the circle C2 at the point P, and OP is its radius. Now, therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB by the previous theorem. And now join OA and OB, and in a triangle, join OA and OB, and in a triangles OPA and OPB, OA equal to OB, the radii of this circle C1 and OP is a common, and an angle OPA equal to OPB equal to 90 degree, since OP is perpendicular to what is that, AB, and thus two triangles OPA and OPB are congruent to each other by SAS criterion for congruency, and therefore AP equal to BA, APB holds. The second example states that two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with a center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to twice the angle OPT. Solution for the problem. Let C be the circle with the center O, an external point T, and two tangents TP and TQ to the circle where P and Q are the points of contact. See the figure here. Here is the circle with the center O, and TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle, and P and Q are the points of the contact of these two tangents. Now we need to prove that angle PTQ is equal to twice the angle OPQ, this angle. This angle equal to twice the angle OPQ. We have to prove here. Let angle PTQ is equal to theta. And now by the previous theorem, TP equal to TQ, because lengths of the two tangents are having a equal length, and therefore TP equal to TQ. And Therefore, a triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle because in the triangle PTQ, TP equal to TQ, and therefore this is an isosceles triangle. And now you can see here, therefore, angle TPQ, angle TQP, TPQ, angle TQP plus an angle theta equal to 180 degree. Because sum of the angles of a triangle equal to 180, this implies that twice an angle TPQ plus theta equal to 180 degree, and this implies twice an angle TPQ equal to 180 minus theta, and therefore angle TPQ equal to half the angle 180 minus theta, and therefore angle TPQ equal to TPQ, because a tangent, that is a 90 degree, and TPQ equal to half theta by 2, and therefore by the previous theorem, angle OPT equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle OPQ equal to angle OPT minus angle TPQ, and that equal to 90 minus theta by 2, and that equal to theta by 2, and this equal to, I can write down 1 by 2 into angle PTQ, and therefore angle PTQ equal to twice the angle OPQ, and this is what exactly we wanted to prove. Sorry, this is TPQ equal to 90 minus theta by 2, and therefore angle OPT is equal to, by the previous theorem, 90 degree, and thus we have solved the problem by proving angle PTQ is equal to twice the angle OPQ.